In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a new project. And there's many different types of projects that we can create, and there's a couple of different ways that we can create a new project. As we saw in the lesson 1001 regarding the start page, there's a quick way to create a new project. You can simply select the New Project button here on the start page. Alternatively, you can create a new project in two other ways. You can select the New Project button from this toolbar icon, or you can select File, New Project. Either three of these ways will bring up the New Project dialog box. Now, this is important because there have been many occasions where I have not paid attention to what I was doing and I created the wrong type of project. So it's very important you pay a different computer within my network or across the internet. Take just a few moments here on my slow computer to open up the Browse for a New Location window. And finally it has arrived. Okay, so we can select a different location. Notice that these are all web projects that I have, and this is just a typical selection window that you can use. That's pretty much common to all Windows applications. But we'll just leave it at localhost for right now. So in order to create my application, all I need to do is select now the OK button, and Visual Studio.net will go through the process of creating the project based on the project type, the template that I chose, and the name and the location that I selected. So I'll go ahead and select OK. And after a few moments, which might be a few long moments if you have a slow computer, you will see that Visual Studio.net creates, in this case, a new web at localhost, which is the web server that runs on my computer that is mapped typically to c:/inetpub/www root/ in this case My New Web Project, where you can actually find the physical files that make up this project. So after a few moments, Visual Studio will have completed all the steps that it needs, and it will create all the files that will be applicable to a C# web application. And so after a few moments, the My New Web Project finally loads, and I'm going to take the liberty here to move the Solution Explorer out so you can see all the new files that were added to this project that were necessary in order to create a C# web application. You have a web form, a web config, a Disco file, a global.asax. Now don't worry what all these files do. The most important thing is understanding from this video how to create a new project, which we've just done. So this concludes creating a new project, lesson 1006, and we hope you enjoy this lesson.